Hey everyone! Welcome back to Business Finance & Co, your weekly destination for everything finance, markets and business. From India's big monetary move to the ECB's interest rate cut and global market drama starring Elon Musk and Donald Trump, we've got it all covered. Let's jump straight into this week's biggest headlines. The Reserve Bank of India, or RBI, made headlines this week by cutting the repo rate by 50 basis points to 5.5%. The Monetary Policy Committee cited slower inflation and a need to stimulate economic growth. This move is expected to boost credit flow, help MSMEs, and even give a push to the real estate sector. It's the first major rate cut in over a year. The European Central Bank, or ECB, followed suit, cutting interest rates by 0.25% to 2%. This comes after inflation in the Eurozone dropped below 2% for the first time in over 3 years. ECB President Christine Lagarde said the decision was nearly unanimous and signals a turning point for Europe's monetary policy. Could the US Fed be next? In a surprising twist, former US President Donald Trump clashed with Tesla CEO Elon Musk over federal contract renewals. Trump hinted at canceling contracts with Musk's companies if he wins the upcoming election, citing political bias. As a result, Tesla shares plunged by 14%, dragging tech stocks down with it. Investors are watching this feud very closely. Credit ratings agency Moody's stated that ongoing tensions between India and Pakistan are unlikely to impact India's economic stability. They also noted India's strong fundamentals and foreign exchange reserves as a buffer. This comes just as foreign investors are eyeing Indian markets with growing optimism. Indian equity markets remained stable this week. The Nifty 50 closed at 24,750, while the Sensex settled at 81,442, both just shy of record highs. Mid-cap and small-cap indices gained 1.3% and 3% respectively, with auto and banking stocks leading the rally. Hey, just in case you missed it, banks in Kerala were closed on June 6th for Bakrid, and while many other states will observe a bank holiday on June 7th. So yeah, make sure to plan your bank work accordingly. Alright, here are a few more quick headlines you should know. Bajaj Finance shares fell 0.58%, closing at 8,932 rupees and 45 paise. Procter & Gamble announced 7,000 global job cuts to reduce operational costs. Boeing will pay $1.1 billion to settle lawsuits over the 737 MAX crashes. And India has signed a semiconductor manufacturing deal with TSMC. That's pretty big news for our tech infrastructure. So, what does all this mean? Global economies seem to be entering a new phase. Interest rates are easing. Inflation is stabilizing and markets are, well, cautiously optimistic. India's strong growth story continues and global giants are definitely watching closely. That's a wrap on this week's Finance and Business Roundup. Which story caught your attention most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for weekly insights that actually make sense. This is Umesh, signing off. Stay informed, stay invested. Peace.